Embaixador Japaun no Timor-Leste agradece a cooperação serviço durante.
Embaixador Japaun e Timor-Leste terça semana encontro ikus o primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão, molok fila ba Japaun, tamba missão e Timor-Leste rematauna. Foi no encontro o chefe governo diplomata hatu agradece ba chefe governo Kairala Sanana Guzmão, nomos ba entidade hotu, nebe mak durante e a kooperasaun servisu nebe diak.
I came here to bid farewell to Prime Minister because I'm ending my duty in Timor-Leste and I'm leaving at the beginning of January. And I thanked His Excellency Prime Minister for his support and also friendship during the last 3 years. And I myself and my family enjoyed very much living in Timor-Leste and got a lot of Timorese friends. And I expressed my appreciation to Prime Minister for developing the bilateral relationship. And Prime Minister visited Japan in the year of 2023 and agreed to elevate a relationship to a comprehensive partnership.
Iha ocasião nemos diplomata discuti ho chefe governo Kairala Sanana Guzmão kona ba consolida relação bilateral entre Rairua no kooperasaun servisu sira iha area oi-oi nebe continua lao.
I updated the important projects such as the international airport or National Hospital Gilbert and also two private investment project for the shipbuilding and for solar power plant. So, and Prime Minister appreciated the cooperation, which now moving forward. So, altogether, I think last 3 years, we can develop our cooperation and the relationship. And I hope that more will happen in the future.
Tuir plano diplomata sei fila ba Japaun iha início fulan janeiro tinang ring roron resinen. Ada Simenes, Bebida Simenes, Jemen.